The truth is, most people only know of ChatGPT, but there are dozens of powerful AI tools out there that can 100% change your business, and they are absolutely free. They can instantly upgrade how your business runs or side hustle, etc. Today, I'm going to share the 5 best AI tools that you should be using since yesterday. These tools can help you save time, automate work, scale smarter without spending a single dime. That is right. I'm not going to just show you cool demos. I'm actually going to show you tools that myself as well as our company use on a daily basis. We recommend these tools to founders, solopreneurs, content creators, everyone alike. So let's jump right into it. The first tool is actually DeepSeek, and a lot of you I know are familiar with it. There was so much drama around DeepSeek, whether like it was using your data, whether it was scanning you for malicious things, right? But DeepSeek is incredibly powerful. It is one of the most underrated AI models out there. It's fast, it's lightweight, and it's perfect for heavy reasoning tasks. It likes summarizing articles, building agents, or even coming up with unique ideas. It's actually available for free, kinda, if you use one of the 2 things that it like kind of exists out there. And I'm not gonna talk about local installation today, but only what is on the web. So one of the ways to use it for free on the web is through Hugging Face. They're an awesome bunch that don't lock you into any type of ecosystem, or you can actually test it out on Open Router. If you just open up Open Router and you select the language model to be ChatGPT 3, you just click on the free version and voila, you can have fun. I would very much recommend this for creators and builders who like flexibility. It's awesome for research and it's pretty decent in writing too. It's not Claude 3.7, but it's pretty good. The next tool that we're going to talk about is actually something that is very up and coming, and the buzz is insane. That's right. We're going to talk about Code. Now, Code is not your typical AI. Maybe you can not even call it AI. But what Code lets you do is actually helps you build functional websites, dashboards, internal tools. It's fully autonomous. It takes over your computer, and you just need to pair it up with an AI. Now, because I did promise you free AI, right? Free AI tools. What you want to do is you basically want to hook up your Code through Visual Studio with Gemini 2.5. That is how you're going to get a free version of this. You're going to be limited to 1 million tokens, but trust me, it's not easy to get through 1 million tokens. And one of the best parts is today, Boomerang came out for Code. It just helps you build out these very complex tasks, and it segments them so it uses as little as possible when it comes to the tokens, right? Basically with Code, you describe what you want to build, and Code handles it and all of the back-end logic. The UI, the deployment, it's super good for MVPs, for client tools, or even internal automations. And the free tier honestly is more than enough. The third tool that we're going to talk about is actually Gemini 2.5. It is the newest release from Google or AI Studios, and it's pretty freaking dope. It can do a lot. It's still in its experimental phase, but it's actually super strong. We've seen it be used a lot, and the only limitation right now is the 1 million tokens that are with it. Google's Gemini 2.5 is one of the smartest free AI models out there. It works seamlessly with Docs, Gmail, Sheets, and so much more. It gives you real-time answers with actual live data up until January 2025. I think. This is actually my go-to researching tool right now because it feels so fast. It feels like it can summarize dense topics super easily, and it brainstorms ideas directly inside Google Workspace. If you're using any of the Google tools, Gemini is a super easy upgrade. The fourth tool that I'm actually going to show you is a little bit different of an AI. It's 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a specialized AI that helps you do voice recording, voice duplication, basically your voice clone, right? And 11 Labs has so many cool features within it. You can do stuff like a conversational AI. We've actually used this a lot. We've used it both for training and for basically creating a VA. So imagine that you're getting incoming calls, and instead of the old time secretaries, you're basically using a voice agent. It's always going to extrapolate the correct data. You can teach it to basically manipulate the type of information it's receiving in the sense of qualifying the incoming lead, understanding which funnel it should go to, and therefore giving it the appropriate answers, as well as collecting the emails and everything that the communicator would be willing to give. 11 Labs actually also takes written text and turns it into realistic voiceovers, like emotional, expressive, studio quality voices. It's pretty perfect for YouTube. It's pretty perfect if you want to create like a YouTube faceless channel. It's really good for training videos, like I said, audio content, even narrating your blogs. So if you're thinking about maybe starting like a podcast or something, 11 Labs is really, really powerful. You don't actually need an expensive, like any expensive gear or a voice actor. You just kind of paste your text, you choose a voice, or you record your own, and you just let the magic happen. And the last tool that I'm going to show you is actually an up and comer. And I just recently found out about this, but it's Lindy AI. Lindy AI is actually super powerful, and it lets you build out customized workflows as a executive assistant. It's actually pretty cool, and you can do very complex things. And you can train it to schedule meetings, respond to emails, organize tasks, label emails, interact with calendar, and even tools like Slack. It's actually a perfect tool if you're wearing too many hats or you simply do not have the resources to hire a VA. It can automate admin tasks without hiring anyone else, and it's simply like having a part-time ops assistant for sort of free. There is a paid version, which is absolutely a lot better than the free one. But if you want to get started, if you want to test it out, I fully recommend it. So all of these tools are super free. They're incredibly powerful, and they're perfect for solopreneurs, creators, or anyone who wants to do more with less. I very much guarantee them. Try one, stack them over time, and watch how your stress plummets. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to post a lot of videos coming up, things on AI tools, business automation, productivity strategies, goal setting, the bunch. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you're actually testing or you're playing around, or if you have a favorite free tool, please make sure to drop it. I want to just give a little bit of a shout out here. I was going to mention Manus as well, but they are super stingy with codes right now, and they already released a paid model. You can't even pay unless you get invited to their beta, which is super silly if you ask me. And yeah, absolutely no ChatGPT, even though the latest ChatGPT release with their images, super powerful. Anyways, love you guys. See you soon. Peace.